All right, guys, I had to run back to the house. Me and Donnie had to get like the trailers moved. We organized all that stuff, organized the shop stuff. I'm driving, this is kind of stupid, don't do this. But anyway, we got all that done. Drew is buying Donnie's boat, so we got that out of the way. That's where my RX-7 went back. Probably just what Donnie wanted, but it's going back there for now until it goes out for the cage. Tonight, we are, well, not tonight, I'm heading back right now. I actually had to run back for my camera. We're going to get the clutch in because the parts for that finally came, and then I gotta check the power steering. We fixed that, but something I think was leaking. Looked like one of the banjo fittings. I don't know why, but I guess we'll see why. But it should be just like that. The clutch, I got a new Guibo, or however you pronounce it, I don't know. Yeah, and some other cool things. I got a metal valve cover on the way, and a catch can set up. So I guess you can probably figure out what's going to happen with that. But the only thing I really need to source left is axles, and I need to source a 391 welded diff. If anyone has one, let me know. But yeah, so that's what we're doing, and I will catch you guys when I get to the barn, and then we'll go from there. So see you later. All right, so I'm finally at Donnie's. Drew and Donnie are doing something with like transferring the boat title. I gotta get, I'm just getting everything together, and then like, like I'll unbox this and I'll show you guys. But that should be like all the parts for obviously the BMW. That's like the clutch and all that stuff. I still gotta check the power steering and that, but like this car, just an update, is getting ready for a cage. I gotta save up a couple more $100, and then it'll have a cage. But everything so far is in. I just had to have someone custom do the, I don't know if I can show you. It'll have to be like upside down. Maybe you might be able to see that, but the pan is touching the power steering rack, and there's like a pan that Holly makes, but I think it would be the same amount of money to have someone cut that one and custom like TIG weld a space into it, as long as I'm far enough away from the windage tray, and then that one can just go back on, because I want to use that anyway, because it has, well, I have to order a piece. I ordered the wrong thing because the header's so close to where the oil relocation adapter is. I need to order the one where they stick down instead of out like that. But I'd rather use that pan because it's better for supporting like the AccuSump I'm going to run on this car and all that. Everything in here is all beat out. I mean, I know it looks like shit. I got to get a few things, like some of the holes in there need to be patched up, like in there. But that's the trans mount, that's in. The T36 Magnum F fit like pretty solid. I don't know how far back I have to put my seat. I'm tall. I'm 6'2", but I'm not like tall. Like my legs are shorter. My torso's long, so I sit in cars pretty well. Like I can sit really close to the steering wheel, so I'm not sure if that will be where I want it. Like I don't know if it's going to be like real close or something, but I guess we'll see. But anyway, this thing is doing pretty good. It's just, it needs a few things, but it's getting there. So yeah, so I'll put you on a little thing, and we'll unbox some parts. I'm riding solo. Tyler's out until the end of March, so I'm trying to figure out this whole editing and filming thing, but I'll do my best, so hang in there. But anyway, we'll unbox some of these parts, and then we'll go from there. So yeah. Alright, so obviously you guys watch me unbox all that stuff, so maybe we'll run through it a little bit. Not that I really know what the hell I'm looking at, I know kind of what I needed to get this job done. Luckily, FCP Euro makes everything pretty easy. The rest I got from Turner Motorsports. They do like a, so this is, since my car's actually not, it's non-M. Mine's an E36 328 IS. So it has the M52 like B28 TU motor, I think. But so this is like a lightweight flywheel, and it comes with like the upgrade, like, well, not upgrade, sorry. This is like a spacer that it has to have to run this. New hardware, stock M3 clutch. Kind of wondering, thought there were bolts for this. I didn't see any. Maybe use them off the other one. I guess we'll figure that out, but I'm not sure. That's the only thing I'm kind of wondering. Here's like the clutch fork spring, the brass pivot, because they come with plastic ones, so you upgrade to that and it has a better feel, they say. This is the throttle bearing, that's new. This is the clutch stop under the pedal, it's inside the car. This is for the input shaft seal. These are the drain plugs. I didn't know that until we got them. This is the Guybo, what, I don't know how you say it, whatever. But something's clanking in my car like when I moved, so it's either the drive shaft or one of the axles are bad, so I got that just in case. We'll see if that doesn't work, I'll move on. These are the seals for the transmission. I watched the video how to do it. I just don't remember exactly how to tell you where it is. Like I said, I'm not a mechanic. But so yeah, there we go. So I'm gonna get you guys set up, and I guess we're gonna start ripping the car apart as best I can by myself. And when Drew and Donnie gets back, I guess it'll probably be a little easier, but we're gonna go from there. So I'm gonna get to work, and see you in a minute. What'd you say, Cam? I said I do have the rear main seal.
I ain't sense of putting a clutch in there if you don't have that rear main seal. I can play that right now.
Yeah.
When you're this far, you got to do the trains in. It's in here for like that many months now, so it doesn't matter.
A little wheeze. Okay, I also got the rear main seal, and I also got the belts I forgot I had because they're all cracked, and that's the clutch fan that cost me $500 goddamn dollars. And I think this is for the thermostat housing, and this is the angle kit, but I don't know when that's getting done.
This is for a boat.
Yeah, we're getting rid of that thing, making space for my barn. Okay,
Cut that one out.
yeah, for sure. All right.
We gotta pick that back and far up
Why?
to spin the shaft.
Okay. All right, so anyway, we got about this far. We took the whole exhaust out. We're at the drive shaft. I think my car's been clunking real bad, and no, now I can't show you because that's loose, but this thing's definitely, it's smoked. Like you can, how do I show them that? Well, you just have to believe me.
Press up on it.
Yeah, well there, you can see it.
Yeah, that's fucking good.
Yeah, I don't know. It's definitely needs something new. I found a guy that has an upgraded one, so I'll probably just go with that. Drew got the slave out. Drew got the clutch slave out, and now we're moving on to taking out the drive shaft, and then me and Drew are gonna drop the trans in a minute here, I think. But I had to put the camera on charge, so that's where we went. So we're back now, and yeah, so we'll put you back on there and get back to it. You want a kiss?
No, I'm good.
Oh man. Alright, so we are back, and Will finally showed up. Even though he's supposed to be here all day, help me. Thank God Drew showed up because Will just quit.
I did not quit. I told you this morning.
Just like Tyler, y'all quitting on me. Anyways, we're back to getting the bell housing bolts out. Alright, Will? Is that what we're gonna do? Alright, so you're gonna help me eventually, but I'll let you slide for now. But anyway, so Drew got most of them out, and we're gonna try and get the rest out. Alright, this is going well already. Alright, Will, where we at? What we been doing?
I've been sitting on that bucket playing with myself. I don't know what you've been doing.
Alright, so obviously everybody that knows anything about BMW knows that the top bolt on the transmission sucks. If you have the drive shaft out like we did and everything, which you have to do anyway, if you just look under the insulation, pull it up with a light, you can use a real long extension, you can see it. So we just got to crack loose, but now Drew's trying to get it shimmied off. Thank you. Is anything happening?
What are you doing?
I'm on it again. Like, I feel like it's definitely out.
The whole thing moved to your right.
Just come down.
That's it.
No, that thing's light. Oh. Woo! Alright, make sure you guys don't miss the one on the top like we did. We were doing some prying and hammering, so all for this one top bolt right here. And there's one right here. There's one that goes there like that too, so you gotta get that one. There you go. So, dude, you're like the worst cameraman ever.
Dog.
He said dog. But yeah, all right. So probably gonna get all that apart. Maybe look at it real quick, and then we'll get this out there to rebuild it, and we'll show you what's going on. But we're gonna clean up a little bit, maybe eat first, and I'll get back to you guys. So there you go. All right, I'm just filming an outro. So me and Drew and Will finally got everything out. We were just missing the one bolt on the top, and then it popped right out. So that's cool. But yeah, the clutch definitely got heated a few times, that's for sure. So a little smoked, but we're all cleaned up. And oh, that's a nice view for you. So it doesn't look like the rear main seal's leaking, but I'm gonna do it anyway. And the pilot bearing next week. And then me, I don't know who is. What are you saying? What are you trying to do to me? What are you trying to do to me?
I'm just trying to distract you.
What are you trying to do to me? All right, but yeah. So anyway, we gotta fix whatever's leaking in the power steering again, flush it with ATF fluid, and put the belts on, the clutch fan, and that should be about it. Yeah, stop twerking. But yeah. So anyway. We are gonna pack it up and we're out of here. So catch you later. Like, comment, subscribe.